Hello everyone. It is said that when you are feeling low or sad, then a perfect cup of coffee or tea will help you in getting back on track. Now imagine having your favorite garam chai ki pyali on your handmade coasters. Definitely, they will brighten up your day and are perfect gifts too. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can make these beautiful DIY coasters. The methods are easy and everyone can make them. So here's to a brighter and perkier day. Now to make the coasters, we need MDF wooden pieces. You can get such wooden pieces in art shop, stationery shop, or can order online. We can also make these coasters on cardboard. Now I am using this piece to trace it here. And after that, we can cut it. Once the wooden cardboard piece and giving it a proper shape, you can stick either a newspaper or kitchen paper towel on it with the glue and it will look like this. Once it is dried, either you can use this type of cardboard with the paper or these wooden pieces. Now, we will apply gesso or primer. You can get it from a art shop and apply on the wooden piece. Apply it on the wooden piece, and in the same way, we will apply it on the cardboard also, which is covered. Use little water also if required. And after giving 2 or 3 coats, leave it to dry. Now why we are applying gesso on these pieces? Because it will give a texture and the colors when we apply on them will look bright. So this is the purpose of applying gesso. So I have applied 2-3 coats of gesso on this wooden piece. The same way you can coat the cardboard piece also and leave it for an hour. Then we will apply acrylic colors on it. It will look something like this. I have coated it with colors, acrylic colors. I have used acrylic colors here. And you can make any design according to your choice, or you can write some messages or quotes like this. So it is up to you whether you want to make any design or you want to write message. Now I will show you how we are going to color it. So I am using acrylic color. You can trace the design or can do freehand also. I am doing freehand on sides and then will color this cup design which I have made at the center. Wash the brush properly after using one color, then wipe it, and I am using light blue color which I have made by mixing dark blue and white color. So once your design is completed, it will look something like this. See, I have already colored it, and on the other side I have written a message or a quote, Fursat ke pal, and this side is the cup design. So you can use this coaster both the ways because one side is the message and one side is the design. Once your coloring and painting is finished, then coat it with varnish. Varnish will help in protecting the surface as well as it will help also in cleaning the coasters. So coat it with varnish 2-3 times. You can use 2-3 coats of varnish on it and let it dry for a day or two. So in this way you can make different designs. One way you can make design and another way on the other side you can write messages. So if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and share it with your family and friends. We will meet in our next video. Till then, keep learning and sharing new things. Thank you.